release more fallout than the entire U.S. strategic force even if we used it in the most destructive manner. TASS reports it will be deployed during the current procurement plan which goes until 2027. Number 4, a high-precision hypersonic aircraft missile system, the Kinzhal, which is capable of delivering nuclear and conventional warheads in a range of over 2,000 km, and which is now operational. The chief of the Russian Aerospace Force called it an aeroballistic missile. Deputy Russian Defense Minister Yuri Borisov said that 10 Kinzhals are operational on the MiG-31 fighters, and TASS, the main official Russian news agency, reports that an aeroballistic missile, obviously the Kinzhal, he's working on. Based on open sources, it appears that 4 of these systems are nuclear-armed and 2 are nuclear-capable. In April 2019, Russian ambassador to the United States Anatoly Antonov said that these weapons were not subject to the New START Treaty. It is clear that the New START Treaty does not restrain 4 of the 6 and the 5th is only subject to the treaty because it uses an ICBM as a booster. In March 2019, these developments, coupled with Russia's seizure of Crimea and nuclear threats against our allies, mark Moscow's decided return to great power competition. Russian nuclear modernization is literally never ending. All legs of the Russian triad are being modernized. When Russia deploys a new system, it starts work on the follow-on. We don't. We are pursuing a minimum program to maintain a nuclear triad, replacing systems only when very old, warheads for each missile type. There is no way to verify the total number of accountable warheads, much less the number of actual deployed warheads, which is clearly much higher. There is no Senate Select Intelligence Committee report on New START verification because there is no credible way to claim it is verifiable. Then Vice Chairman of the Senate Select Committee on Intelligence Senator Christopher Bond summed it up during New START ratification. The Select Committee on Intelligence has been looking at this issue closely over the past several months. As the vice chairman of this, from the standard Russian position which claimed it had made an 85% reduction. If one uses the late Soviet declared number of over 10,000 deployed strategic nuclear warheads for the calculations, the difference between an 85% reduction and a 66% reduction is almost 2,000 strategic nuclear warheads above the supposed New START Treaty allowed level of 1,550. This is much higher than any previous unclassified Western estimate of currently deployed Russian strategic nuclear.
Вывести подвижный грунтовый ракетный комплекс на полевые позиции.
Внимание, расчет, получен приказ на пуск. Я буду готов, задержки пуска нет. Внимание, расчет, пуск. Есть пуск.
The Sarmat is reported in the Russian state media as capable of carrying 10 warheads of 800 kilotons or 15 warheads of 350 kilotons. It will be their main counterforce weapon. In light of reported Russian development of variable yield missile warheads, it is also likely to have a low yield option. Number 2, the Burevestnik, a nuclear-powered cruise missile carrying a nuclear warhead, which Putin said had almost an unlimited range. This is a very dangerous weapon system from a testing safety standpoint because every flight will end in a radiation release. Number 3, an ultra-fast and deep-diving nuclear-powered drone submarine called the Poseidon, which Putin said would carry massive nuclear ordnance. This weapon has similar safety problems as the
Заре Восток, Заре Восток,